Welcome back to Bazzar Repairs! Guys, I know I haven't done a video in a while. I've been very busy with a secret project that I'm working on. But I'm finishing up that project now and I want to get started back making some cool videos for you guys. But today we got a special one. I'm going to be upgrading my Samsung Galaxy Note 8 that I've had for about 3 years now. I love this phone. I've dropped it multiple times. I've fixed it multiple times. Right now, for some weird reason, I dropped it this last time and I have no reception anymore. I've taken out the SIM card, put it back in. I don't even want to open it up and fix it no more. It's just time. I've paid it off. But I'll use it again as a dummy phone. You know, maybe I'll even still try to fix it. But enough of that. Look what we have here. Let me make sure I get this right. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G just came in today, August 20th, a day before it's supposed to be released, I believe. I'm not sure. I don't know. But I got it today. Let's go ahead and unbox it, turn it on, and just see how it looks. And then I'll probably try to even film another video installing the screen protector that I have for it. So let's get started, guys. Get ready, baby! Alright, let's get this thing unboxed here. So that's just how the case looks. Pretty standard Samsung case. Let's see if I can actually open this one, because I always have trouble. Oh yes, important. Perfect. Oh. Alright, now what I like to do, anytime you get a new phone, you want to bless the phone. So try to give it some good energy. Please, please do not crack on me. Do not drop out of my hands or fall into toilet water or anything like that. Because, as you may or may not know, anytime I get something new, anytime, within the first 3 days or so, I end up breaking it. I don't know why, and I end up having to replace it. So let's try to give this one some good karma here. Okay, come on. So anyways, let's open it. Oh, geez. Now let's just do a little size comparison with the Galaxy Note 8 that I have. As you can see, that's a little bit bigger there, and maybe just that's about the same size. Maybe a little wider. Yeah, just a little bit, but nothing too big. But sorry, you gotta go. Okay, let me let's just zoom in a tad there, just so you guys make sure you guys can see that. All right, sorry about the camera. I'm a one-man operation. All right, there we go. Now. Lift you out. Ooh, gently, gently. Be gentle. Now, before we do the phone, you know, let's do whatever else is in this, in that thing. Let's see. Got a charger, big boy. We got charging cable. Cool. Nothing. God damn it. No earphones. I didn't use them anyways. So let's go to the phone. There we go. Look at the back now. Wow, this thing is spectacular. Wow. This is, let me just see if I can get a little bit closer for you guys there. You can see it yourself. There we go. Alright. Whoa. See? I almost dropped it. You almost witnessed a camera fall. Alright, so let's just try to go a little bit closer here. Sorry, like I said, I'm a one-man op. Alright, there we go. That's about as clear as you can get it there. So, look at the camera. That bump does poke out quite a bit, but bought a case, so I should be fine. I got a screen protector that's going to go on the camera, and a really good one apparently that goes here. So, as for the buttons, we got nothing here on the left side. Right side, we have volume rocker button and another button here. At the top, we have our SIM slot and something else. Bottom, charging port. The design of this feels, I mean, the quality is amazing. This feels really good. Let's try to power it on here. I'm even nervous holding this thing. So let that go ahead and boot up. I'm telling you, I know I'm gonna drop this thing. I'll film a video if I do. Alright, so let's just go ahead and let that boot up there. Now when you do lay it flat, you do see, I don't know if you see, but it does have an angle there because of the camera, obviously. But that might be a bit of a concern for some people. I think as long as you have a case, you should be fine. Ooh, let's go. Oh, yes. Okay, I'm not really going to go through the setup here. Maybe I can do it on camera. Let's see. I don't want to send all my diagnostics. Terms I'm cool with. Privacy. And that's it. My Wi-Fi, I'm not going to go through all that right now. Let's just go ahead and skip. And we'll skip anyways right now. Activate. We will do that in a minute. Once again, guys, that is the phone. Hope you guys can see it really good. Looks really good. I'm going to do another video, like I said, putting the screen protector on and maybe show some additional settings, but the build quality, design, 10 out of 10. I really love Samsung products. They always last me a long time. So I'm going to go ahead and go now, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Just wanted to show you guys my unboxing video on my Samsung Note 20 Ultra 5G. You guys, I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.